What's going on, guys? Welcome to another week, Camp House Adventures. Hey, on this episode, we had the Pitmasters Paloma Palooza second annual. Me and my buddy Ernest Cervantes got together a couple years back and decided we wanted to get some Pitmasters from the competition world, the restaurant world, all together under one roof for a dove hunt. And boy, was it an awesome time. We shot some birds. We had Texas Monthly here. We had Ernest Cervantes. We had a bunch of big restaurant guys. We had a lot of competition guys. Man, it was amazing. We had guys come all the way up from Iowa, from all over the place. It was truly an awesome experience to bring. I used to competition cook years back, and now to bring all these people under one roof, people that I used to follow, which I still follow, and just good all around people, man. It was awesome. We had great food, great entertainment, great birds. We had Yeti sponsor, Yingling. We did a raffle with a bunch of Yeti stuff. The guys had a blast. It was awesome, man. I had a great time. And this is only year 2. We are gonna continue this, and I think it's only gonna get bigger and bigger as we go. So here's a little video of that weekend. So hopefully y'all enjoy this one. Y a tirar botes, no hay más. Well, another one. First time, Jen. What do you think?
He missed it. Well, he missed it. Oh, good work. Come on, Russ. I didn't even direct it in anyone else.
It ain't even 3 o'clock yet. You're already talking about.
Yeah, we're just talking about it. It's a fucking gopher.
Hey, I do before I
It's a
get
fucking
here.
gopher.
I bought 500 shells, and if I get 5 fucking birds, I'm happy.
There better be more than one bird in this truck. 5 birds.
You said more than one, Eric. Why are you laughing?
What?
We're talking about the glasses.
So that's what we're going with.
That's what we're gonna go with.
The glasses. Go out and get you some.
I mean, I can see clear. I mean, Remington isn't sponsoring me or paying for me in any way, but these glasses are amazing.
So we need to get Remington on the sponsor banner next year.
We need to.
Oh, there you go. That's the way you do it, buddy.
Where's the basket?
Why don't you pick them back up?
Hey, what the hell happened on you?
Yes, sir! Hell yeah. All right, your name.
Promise Red Stag, Melon Deer,
THL for life.
See that? She writes for the brand, sir.